My name is Fionn Campbell and I'm a 17-year-old fifth-year student at Moate Community School. We all know how badly Ireland was affected by the recent energy crisis and how our reliance on fossil fuels is an extremely worrying issue. This made me start thinking about ways to innovate in clean energy, and one day last year an idea came to me. What if I could create a system to harvest kinetic energy from the billions of road vehicles that travel around the world every day? I discovered that piezoelectricity, the charge that occurs in certain materials when subject to mechanical strain, is perfectly suited to this. Implementing a piezoelectric road surface isn't exactly realistic, so instead I came up with the idea of a piezoelectric speed ramp for applications in harvesting impacts from low-speed traffic. To prove my concept, I developed a small-scale prototype which employed piezoelectric diaphragms in a specially designed tray part which sits underneath the ramp. With the help of SolidWorks and 3D printing, the first iteration was complete. After testing this device by simulating impacts with masses dropped from a set height and calculating its power output with a multimeter, I decided that an optimisation needed to be made. To maximise the absorption of kinetic energy, more diaphragms needed to be added using an extra tray part that could fit between the base tray and a speed ramp. Testing this improved iteration found that the device could produce up to 800 microwatts of power when impacted with just over 3 joules of energy. This offers massive potential if scaled up to a real-world level. Since showcasing this device at Regional Sci-Fest in April 2024, I have also begun to develop a piezoelectric cat's eye which could harvest vibrations from fast-moving traffic. Together, these devices could make the difference in stopping the energy crisis.